Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you how you can create the hierarchies in matrix. So hierarchies in matrix is an efficient way to display detail oriented data in less space. Okay, this is very simple in Power BI. So first of all, you need to drag and drop the matrix. Click on the matrix and here for example, I large it in main screen here. Okay, after that inside the rows, okay, so inside the build here, this is the rows. Inside the rows, for example, the first thing is I drag and drop the categories. Okay, so first show me the categories, then the subcategories inside the rows. Here you can see that when I drag and drop the subcategories inside the categories, this plus icon is showing. Okay, if I remove the subcategory, here this the plus icon is removed. If I again drag and drop inside these rows, the plus icon is showing. Okay, I will explain it later. The third thing is, for example, here inside the rows, the third also add the region and show me the sales, okay, in the values column. Okay, so now we will explain it. Okay, so this is very simple. Inside the first thing, it shows all the four categories. Okay, three categories, that is furniture, office supplies and technology, with the total furniture sales, total office supplies sales and technology sales. Okay, when I expand the plus icon, here you can see that inside the plus icon, this is the second hierarchy is subcategories. So it's showing me the subcategories inside the furnitures with its amount of sales. Okay, so this is how beautiful it basically link the categories, subcategories and region with the amount of sales. Okay, if we overall furniture subcategories, furniture sales is this, the subcategory sales are of the furniture is this. When we sum these all four, then the basically the answer will be that, like that. Okay, inside the office supply, if I expand it, here you can see that all these subcategories inside the office supplies are showing with the amount of sale. For example, inside the furniture, if I expand this subcategory also, the third category, the third basically is the region. So we inside the hierarchy, the first is categories, the second is subcategories, and then the region. Okay, so inside the category furniture, show me the subcategory bookcases, and inside bookcases show me region wise sales also. So it four region, it's also showing me the four region amount of sales. This is for all categories and subcategories. So hope you will understand. Okay, so this, for example, if I minimize all these, okay, inside this table on the down here, you can see that if we click on these two down arrows, it basically show me the first subcategories, the second this one. If I again click, then it shows me the region. If I again, okay, click on this, for example this shows me the categories. So we can, if you want to basically expand all these in one page, click on this icon, it will expand it. For example, inside the furniture we have the subcategories these all, and if I will further expand it, for example like this, click on this here. Okay, if I click on that, here you can see that it expand all these things in one page. So I hope you will understand about this idea of hierarchies in matrix. If you have any question on the video comment section, you can ask your question. You can order me any link. Okay, the order link is mentioned in video description also. Just go to that specific link, fill your criteria like your email, your name, whatever message you want to explain your work, and you can also attach any file and click to send. Your order will be sent to me. I will check and respond it to you on your email. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.